be friends. Let's try. Hey, so Timmy. Wait, Timmy. What? Wait. I think you must be careful. What? Why? Is there something? Is there something coming behind me? I think yes. Look behind you. I think it's going to hurt us. Hmm? Oh no! Let's run! Oh! Let's run! Timmy, are you okay? No, I'm not. And who is it? Well, I don't know.